In this video, I'm going to cover how to create a Power App from a Microsoft Lists list. I'll also cover some basic formatting techniques to customize the app. Also, if you have any tips or tricks you'd like to contribute to the community, please let me know in the comments. Hey everyone, it's Joe from Filthy Casual Tech, a great place to find tech news, reviews, and tutorials. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button, and all the links we reference in this video can be found in the description below. And with that said, let's jump into it. In last week's video, we covered how to create an asset manager using lists in Microsoft Teams, as shown here. Today, we're going to be building a Power App using this list. To build the Power App, first we're going to need to navigate to make.powerapps.com. Once the page is loaded, we just simply need to click on Create. And from here, we need to click on Start from Data, SharePoint. Even though Microsoft Lists is its own app, the data for it's usually either stored within SharePoint or OneDrive. As we want to make a Power App from the IT Asset Manager, I'm going to go ahead and click on the IT team site. Then I'll click on the IT Asset Manager and click on Connect. And now it's building the app. We just have to wait a moment. All right, there we have it. It is now built. This is the default app. We will customize this a little bit. But before we do anything, we need to make sure we save the app. To do this, we click on File, name the app, I can choose an icon, and I'll choose a color, and hit save, and then save again. All right, now that that's saved, I'm going to go ahead and customize this app a little bit. I don't think it needs to be very complicated for this video, but we'll keep it simple. First, I'm going to change the layout a little bit for this app. I don't necessarily like the layout that it's giving me. I actually want it to display an image. First, I'll click on the first item in the gallery here. And then I'll click on Layout, and I'm going to change this to Image Title, Subtitle, and Body. It'll update the list like this. And you can see here it's already populated some of the data that I had in the other list that we were looking at before. It shows the title, it shows the status, and the manufacturer. Let's say I wanted to show the model of the system. What we can do, we can click on the top item in the gallery right here. We'll click on Insert, Label, and you can see here that it actually already added the next item in line, which is the model. So I will move this down here. Actually going to select all the labels inside this item. And from here, I'm actually going to align them to the left so that they're all left justified. Now let's say we want to actually add labels to all these items so that they're a little easier to read. What we can do is we can actually select all the items in here by holding down Shift and clicking them all. And I'm actually going to use the resize handles and then drag them all over. Okay. And I can actually add and from here I can actually add labels for each of these items. To add labels to these items, all we need to do is click on the top item in the gallery. Once again, click on Insert, then Label. And I'm actually going to delete the text from this. What I'll do is I'll get this aligned. So what I'll do is I'll get this to the size that I want. going to copy it and paste it. And do it again. And do it one last time. And from here, I'm just going to enter text for the labels. For the top item, I'm just going to type title. Make sure you put that in quotes, otherwise it will not show up. Then I'm going to label this status. Manufacturer. And then this is the model. All right, and I can see a lot of these other items are using a font size of 18. I'm actually going to match that. So I'll change all these to 18. They match. I'm gonna actually make this one a little smaller so it can fit. Okay, to test out the app, all we need to do is click on the preview the app button here. And you can see it pops up in full screen. I can review all the items. I can click on view the details of the item to actually drill down a little bit further. I can actually edit the individual items, scroll through, change values pretty easily. Click OK when we're done, go back, and you can see that it updated the status here, which is awesome. I can reorder the items based on the title. I can do a refresh. I can also search for individual items based on the starts with for the title. So let's say I want to find all items that start with a 6. I can type in 6 and it filters the items in the display here in the gallery. All right, so let's say that we're okay with the way that this is looking. I'm going to go ahead and close out here. Click OK. And now I'm actually going to publish this. I'm going to save this app. And then I'm going to publish it. Publish. And I'll share it. This way I can make the app available to the users that need access to it. All right, so I will share this with Siri. I am not going to allow Siri to be a co-owner. I know that Siri has access to the IT Asset Manager SharePoint site, so I'm going to leave that as is. If Siri does not have access to this SharePoint site, as it's indicated here, you will need to grant access. And I don't want to send an email alert to the user, so I'm going to uncheck this. So go ahead and click share. And now everyone on my IT team should have access to the PowerApp. And that's how you create a PowerApp using a Microsoft Lists list. If you like this video, please smash the like button and leave a comment below. If you have an idea for a future video, please let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.